Right, hi guys. I'm going to try and do a quick video on overlifting. It's only the second video I've done, so I'll do my best. I'm going to try overlifting on 5-lever locks, something I've been practicing on, using the BBC pick and one overlifting wire I made this weekend. Here goes. I think, if I'm right, this is a union, but no doubt somebody out there will tell me different if I'm wrong. Just getting a bit jammed up in my pick. And it's through. Hopefully you can see that on a quick overlift. I don't think I'll have time to open these up, but I'll do my best. As far as I know, this is an era. As you know, we can't overlift everything, but these I found I can. Am I getting picking the right way? Not easy when you try and do it on camera. I find I get into a lot of anti-picks, but I also find that helps. As you see, that's gone very, very quick. Just back out of it. Quickly out with that one. I think I'm identifying these right. This should be a chub. I've tried to do them in a bit of an order, but I find them the easiest ones. This can be a bit of a bugger to do. So I may or may not get it. Believe me, it does go. Going around the anti-pick, and it's gone. Gone very, very quickly. Now, on to another one. Again, a chub. I do happen to have the keys for this one. It's not helping looking a little bit cock-handed, so you'll have to see. This one can be a bit of a difficult one to get through. Slow down a bit. It's going in anti-pick. I find sometimes going into the anti-pick situation just seems to help. giving a couple of little jiggles just around the anti-pick. Not quite getting this at the moment. I'll keep going as long as I can. There we go, she's gone. Yeah. Now, as soon as they've gone further quickly for me, I might have another one here I can grab. It's due fast. This one I'm going to put up as a little bit of a joke one. Here, it's got, I don't know whether someone's messed about with this, and I need to change on the size of French here. I don't know whether somebody's messed about with this one or not. It's got all same height levers in, and goes an absolute doddle. No problem at all. Of course, it's not going to do on cam, right? As we all know. There we go, and it's gone through. Still got a little bit of time left, so we'll throw that off. Grab this shove back. What I did, I'm just grab the keys attached. If I can get them off. I have the same problem trying to get the wire snickers off. Quickly rip that off. That's the actual key for the lock. And you can see it works the lock absolutely perfect. Quickly rip the covers off. Stand on the screws, not a problem. Still got a minute or so left. That's the lever pack inside there. That's what I've been lifting. They all seem to be pretty genuine locks. Big majority of them will go into anti-pick, like I said, which I find a little bit helpful at times. The last one I showed you, which like I said is a bit of a joke one because all the levers are exactly the same height. Just lift it and it's through, not a problem. Right, thanks lads, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.